Welcome, my lovely students. How are you today, girls? How are you? كيف حالكم? Okay, my beautiful students, today we will take the English letters. رح نتعرف اليوم على الحروف الإنجليزية, okay? So, we have capital and small letters. حروف كبيرة وحروف صغيرة. So we have capital and small letters. Okay. What are the English letters? These are the English letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, these are the English letters. Today we will talk about 4 letters: A, B, C, and D. Okay, so here, what is this letter? Capital A, small a. Again with me. Capital A, small a. Capital A, small a. And the sound, what do I mean by the sound? إيش أقصد بكلمة sound؟ صوت الحرف. كيف صوت الحرف؟ أ أ. Capital A, small a. And the sound is أ. Okay? Now I will give you some words that start with letter A. كلمات تبدأ بحرف ال A. What is this? It is an apple. It is an apple. So what is this? It is an apple. What about this? It is an arm. It is an arm. It is an arm. What is this? This is an apple. This is an arm. This is an apple. This is an arm. So what is this? It is an apple. It is an arm. It is an apple. It is an arm. Okay? What about the second letter? What is this, girls? Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. And the sound is b, b. Okay? The sound is b, b. Okay? What are the letters that start with letter B? Ball, ball. It is a ball. It is a bag. So, a ball الكرة, الباج, الشنطة أو الحقيبة, okay? It is a ball. It is a bag. It is a ball. It is a bag, okay? So, we took together apple, arm, ball, bag. It is a ball. It is a bag. What about this letter, my beautiful students? Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. And the words are cat, cat, and car. Cat and car. So, it is a cat. It is a car. 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 Okay. What about the last letter, my beautiful students? Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. What are the words that start with letter D? كلمات تبدأ بحرف الدي. Dog and door. كلب أكرمكم الله وباب. Okay. Dog, door. It is a dog. It is a door. It is a dog. It is a door. It is a dog. It is a door. Okay. So, it is a dog. It is a door. Again, my beautiful students, today we took about what? Or today we took 4 letters. What are they? A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Again, girls, from the beginning, what is this letter? Capital A, small a, and the sound is a, a. The words are apple and arm. It is an apple. It is an arm. What about this letter, girls and boys? Capital B, small b, and the sound is b, b. The words are ball and bag. It is a ball. It is a bag. It is a ball. It is a bag. What about this letter? Capital C, small c, and the sound is k, k. The words are cat, car. It is a cat. It is a car. What about this? Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d, and the sound is d, d. The words are dog, door, dog, door. It is a dog. It is a door. Okay? This is the end of my lesson today, my lovely students. Thank you for listening and watching, and goodbye. See you next time, girls. Goodbye.